Hey guys, I'd just like to tell you a little bit more about the practice notes in book 3. This comes with the art of practicing, which will teach you basically how to practice so that you can learn a lot more in a short amount of time. There is a skill to practicing. It's not just about playing the notes, it's like how you do it. It's like anything you do, you know, if you know how to do it the most efficient way, then you're going to learn a lot quicker. So I guess the reason why you're on here is because you've probably been playing for a long time and you're just not getting anywhere. So it's basically because it's the way that you practice. And if I was teaching you privately, I can just pick it up straight away and I'll know exactly what you're doing wrong and we can fix it. But it's all in here. Okay, so anyway, so that's the practice notes for the art of practicing. The other thing it's got is the it's like a supplementary guide to the music, which is book 4, which I'll tell you about in the other video. So the supplementary guide goes into more detail about everything that you need to learn in the music. So it could be bar 5 of Furley's and you're a bit stuck. So you can go in here and it might refer you to some technique. So then you'd refer to the technique book and then work on the technique, come back to it, and then away you go. So and then you've mastered something. So this goes into even more detail. You might not need to read all of this. So this is what it covers. It's quite thick, but again, you're not going to read all of it because you won't need to. You might understand it through the manual. You might understand it through the ear training, and you just get it straight away. But it's just there if you need it. So again, it's just dipping in whenever you need to. So that's that. It comes with a CD as well. So for ear training, there'll be certain things that what not to do, what to listen out for, and things while you're playing your music and stuff. So that's that. Yeah. So that's practice notes book 3. Okay. Cheers. Thanks for watching.